Hello! Recently, it has become popular in Midjourney to create cluster abstractions. If you have not tried to do this yet, today I will teach you. Watch the video to the end and you will understand that there is nothing complicated in this. So, for starters, we need to choose in the chat to imagine and write an abstraction of water or fire, something like that. Preferably on a black background. We receive such images. I like the first and third image. Press upscale. Interesting images turned out at this stage. I like the second option more, and we will work with it. So now we need to copy the address of our image. Then we press Imagine again, insert our link, and add a fractal. I want an aspect ratio of 9:16, so we also add a --AR 916. We got these results. Choose what you like and press upscale. Next, we will need to decide which picture we will work with. It is possible with several, at your discretion. In my opinion, the most interesting third image. Copy now this address. Now write Imagine again, insert our address and write the name of the animal. It is advisable to choose animals with dark spots or stripes. My first choice was musk cat. Look what a handsome cat we have. I want to make it in a different aspect ratio now. It turned out beautifully. I chose an upscale of 2 images. I really like these cats. Let's now try to make an ocelot. We write the same thing, only a different name of the animal. Friends, I tried very hard to make the video as useful and informative as possible for you. If I helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You have no idea how much this helps in the development of my channel. I like the first image. It turned out exactly the way I wanted. I want to try to make the tiger face forward. This time, the Midjourney didn't generate exactly what I wanted. There are no cluster abstractions. Let's make the last request for fixing, for example, leopard facing forward. Leopard turned out well. The first and third images are what we need. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next videos.